Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 4. This module, we're going to be talking about numbers, time, and date. So we have some things to read in the textbook, plus some extra readings. I also will have some information in the announcement for this week, and then some videos and listening. The listening, you're going to hear phone numbers read, and that's similar to what's on the quiz. So if you want to check those, you can email me. But yeah, on the quiz, you will hear phone numbers and have to write them out. So we also have something here that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project number 1. So next module, module 5, we have our first pronunciation project. So these are just some videos that review major points of pronunciation, like the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. So this is important every week, but especially as we get ready for the pronunciation project next week, try to go through and make sure you're comfortable with the vowel sounds, the consonant sounds. And then next week when we actually have the assignment, you're going to be reading the text aiming for clear pronunciation. If you want to work with me on the pronunciation project, I definitely recommend you set up a Zoom with me. So this week or next week, just email me if you want to set that up. Okay, so then we have the homework packet like always, the speaking assignment. You're going to answer those questions. The speaking assignment has 2 parts. You're going to answer questions about you, and then you're going to ask questions like you're asking them to a patient. So you can do both parts all in one recording. Just make sure you answer the questions at the top and ask the questions at the bottom. And then the quiz, like always, remember you can only open it one time, have to finish it. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.